Hey guys, welcome to Biz Gurukul. I'm just here going to answer some common questions that people had as I was interacting with different people who were interested in joining Biz Gurukul. So, if you want to know what is Biz Gurukul, some basic idea, I had done another video which you can check in my channel, and also I have put the link below the in the YouTube description. So here's me answering some typical questions what people had. Okay, so the first question people ask is like, do you have to complete the courses in order to start earning? That I'm pretty sure that some of you all also must have had. As you can see, these are the courses that are there. So you have to I'll just click on details, and this is what the courses are about. You can always go to the link and see what they have to offer. I won't spend time in this video explaining. So there can be two things here. Is one is you know everything, or the second is you know nothing, or maybe you know 50% or 20%. Whatever those numbers are, it's up to you. So now if you know nothing, then of course you would have to invest some time watching these courses. And if you already know everything, then instantly you can start without worrying about oh, I have to complete these courses, because there is no rule in Biz Gurukul that you have to watch the courses and then start. There is no rule like that. Nobody's going to come after you and get a track record of how much you've done, or ask you, "Arey, you've not done these courses. How are you still how are you still earning?" Nobody's going to ask you. If you know everything, you can start instantly. If you know 50%, then you may have to spend a little bit more time to understand little extra and this. And if you know everything, then this. If you know nothing, then you'll have to invest more time. How much time you want to give, that also is up to you. Even if you have registered under me, I'm not going to come after you and ask you, "Arey, you have not started earning, start now, that you'll be fired." There is no fear of that. Once you have paid for the courses, these things, they last you a lifetime. And of course you can earn whenever you want. We will not be after you on that also. If you're really interested, of course you can also be after me and try to find out how to earn and get some more tricks if you want to know about that. Anyways, moving on. So why is there a joining fee? Okay, to specify here, when I say joining fee, I am talking about this amount that is there. And of course if you want to go higher, then I'm talking about the fee that is mentioned here. And of course if you want to go even more higher, I am trying to talk about the fee that is mentioned here. And I just saw that they have diamond also. Then it's about, again, whatever fees mentioned over here. So it all depends on your client, which course they are buying. So you would have to pay only this fee. If any market affiliator is asking you any other money besides what is mentioned in this fee, like I showed, whatever is mentioned here on the website, then that market affiliator was scamming you. So you would have to pay for that. You can start with the basic gold, and then as you make money you can keep upgrading. Anyways, moving on. So as a market affiliator myself, why will I help you to do the same? So you may ask like, oh, I may get less people, you may get more people. Well, so the reason why I'm helping you is also, I kind of mentioned, is because if you look at the affiliate commissions, because as you keep upgrading now, like for example, suppose I bought the gold course. Okay, I bought the gold course. I get a commission of 2000, and if you keep upgrading as you make Biz Gurukul money, I also get a higher commission from you. So it's not like once you have you know told a person or your client that you have to buy, that is bought gold from you, doesn't mean it ends there. It is, as he keeps upgrading, also he'll be earning, so that there's no issue. Anyways, moving on. So some people ask this question: I really want to join but I'm bankrupt, what do I do? There are three things you can do. Is one is rethink on where you're spending money, save and try to save some money and then join Biz Gurukul. That's your first option. Your second option is you can earn for that 3,000, and if the other two options do not work out, then I have a third option for you where I will train you to be a market affiliator. Won't take time, I'll just tell you the same tricks I'm using. I'll train you into using those same tricks, and of course a little bit more, and you get me 2 sales. Maybe from your college only, there may be more people who would want to join, who has the money to join, so you can ask them. You get me 2 sales, so that means in 2 sales, if you manage to convince them to buy gold, it means that I have got around 4,000, and then using that money 3,000, I will register an account for you. Of course, I lose 1,000 rupees in the bargain, but like I said, and as you keep earning and upgrading, I just get more money, so it doesn't affect me losing 1,000 bucks in that bargain. Yeah. What are the prospects? Well, the prospects here is, I was just googling because I realized after just joining Biz Gurukul, you can be market affiliators. Amazon, Flipkart and all, they do take market affiliators, and these courses also that are there, besides you also promoting this, these courses that are there will also train you also on how you can promote, how to promote products. So you can use those courses and try to join even those companies if you want. So in that sense, as far as digital marketing is concerned, you can do many things. You can just Google them and find out. I don't even have to explain to you in this PowerPoint. What if I don't get any sales? Then you may have to rethink on how you're promoting yourself, maybe change a few things here and there. It's all about like continuously brainstorming. Like for example, what I do is I am continuously brainstorming. Like the idea that you see me today presenting this video, I'm pretty sure in the future I won't be presenting like this, because like if I don't get good views from this video, then I'm thinking, okay, what do I do to attract more people? So it's like that. You have to keep thinking, keep brainstorming. In the process, you will get people who will just ask you questions, who will just waste your time, but you have to keep engaging and not give up, and eventually you will get people who are pretty much serious and will this, that, oh, Biz Guru, that I want to buy this course from you and become a market affiliate. So it's all on you. See, the whole idea of Biz Gurukul is that it's all on you. We are just here to help, we are just here to mentor, and in turn it's all on you and how you do and how you are able to convince another person to buy the course from you, and how do you, yeah, so that's all on you. How do you do it? It's all on you. We are just here to help. I think it's safer I end in this. Sorry about that. Job security, whether Biz Gurukul can give you job security. Well, anyways, anywhere job security is a joke, because today you can have a job, tomorrow you may not have a job. Then whether you can still pay for your food, you can still stay in the same house, all depends on whether you have good financial management, good money management. So whether Biz Gurukul gives you job security, well, tell me which job has given you proper job security, that you can say that, oh, you know that that this company will not shut down, this job will last me forever. And if it has lasted you forever, then you are just a lucky man. But tell me how many people can actually say that. So whether Biz Gurukul can give you job security, I'm not really gonna say, but I think it's a good opportunity to take while it lasts. Today there are like so many people, and as you go through the links you will see so many people are earning, so many people are giving back to society, so many people are able to upgrade to their lifestyle. And this earning opportunity is, so this what do you call it, platform is really giving you different ways of earning, and giving you good earning opportunities. So I would say job security, don't ask that question, you take the opportunity while it lasts. Today Biz Gurukul has reached 15k, and today you also can contribute into reaching higher and getting more people to earn, because I believe as a country, this is what India needs. Because as you can see, whatever job you take, it doesn't pay much. And even if somebody wants to do a startup, somebody like, for me, I have so many projects in mind, I have so many things I want to do, but for right now we don't have that much of money to do, like to invest and start. So Biz Gurukul is a good platform for me, where I can earn money easily and work hard for the planet. That is my whole funda. I don't care about money. If I get money even easily, even if I get $1 million every year in my account, I would be the most happiest, even if I'm getting it just like that with a flick of a finger, because I care about working hard into saving this planet rather than working for money. But unfortunately, money today is necessity. It is a need for any basic lifestyle. It is a need, because if it was not a need, beggars wouldn't have been begging for money. So it is a need, and I understand that. So that's why I have used Biz Gurukul as a platform, because it is easy and I can pay attention to the other things that I want to do and want to achieve in this world, without worrying about the money aspect. So if you have the same idea, you don't have to have the same dream. If you have any other dreams that you want to fulfill, then this is a very good place for you to start. And of course you can do other jobs besides doing this. Okay, it's not like, oh, I work for Biz Gurukul, I cannot work for anything else. There is no funda like that. You can do anything else, mainstream, alternative, I don't care, you can do it. Okay, there is no like you're under contract. You can leave Biz Gurukul whenever you want. Your account will always be there because you've paid for those courses. So you can there's no one's going to come knocking on your door. And of course, if you want help, the community is always there to help you. We are here to help. Remember, we're only here to help, but the effort you have to make on your side. Okay, I spoke a little too much. If you're fed up, you can also skip the last part of the video. Again, that choice is yours, but it is something to think about. It is something to think about what we are doing, and how we are living our lives. So yeah, anyway, sorry for digressing that. With that I conclude, and of course if you want to know more, there is on the registration, all the registration links, all the necessary links are there. You can follow me on the Instagram page, you can subscribe to my channel, whatever is it that you want to do after the video, that choice is yours. So yeah, anyways, thank you very much, and I hope to see you, and let's make money together.